I've forgotten you in prayer. Oh, hear my plea and mercy show. I seek no treasure of this world. None loves me, Lord, as you I know. Only sour wine remains undone, so pierced his side upon the tree.